everyone. On this episode of LazTechTV, I've got 3 terrific tips that will make you a Google Docs pro. In the previous video, we talked a little bit about adding comments to a Google Doc by highlighting a selection of text, clicking the comment button, and then leaving a comment for my student. The next time that my student sees or logs into this document, they'll then see this comment. They can reply to it, ask for more clarification, and then make the edits that I left. However, Google Docs has 3 main modes. To view those modes, I click on View and Mode. And right now we're currently working in editing mode. This means that as I type on this document, the changes become part of the document. I also have Viewing mode, which will allow me to view the document without making any changes. And I have Suggestion mode, which means as I work on this document, my edits become suggestions that my students can then either accept or ignore. Let's take a look at that right now. So I'm going to click on Suggesting, and I'm going to start making some suggestions to this document. For example, if I think the G on good leaders needs to be capitalized, if I hit backspace and a capital G, you can see that this section is now green, and it tells you what I did. It replaced the lowercase g with a capital G. If the title of the essay needs to be bold, I can highlight that, click my bold option, and it's going to tell my student what I did. Then, as a student logs into this document, they can either click the checkmark button to accept the suggestion, and those will go away, or they can click the X to reject the suggestion, and Google Docs ignores the suggestions that I made. Click on the suggestion and reply to it, asking for more clarification if necessary. Suggestion mode is a really nice feature for when students are collaborating on a document or during peer reviews on a first or second draft before students submit a final copy for grading. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about image masking. I'm going to open up a new document. And we'll talk about image masking. Usually when I insert an image, if I go to Insert Image and upload an image from my computer, I will show you. The image is very rectangular. This is a picture of a student and I on our 80s day, courtrooming day. If I do Insert Image and browse for an image that's on my computer, and here's a concept for one of our FBLA t-shirts. Notice that this is really square or rectangular by default, and there's not really a whole lot I can do with it. If I wanted this to take on a different shape, I'm going to use something called an image mask. So this time, instead of going to Insert Image, I'm going to go to Insert and Drawing. And I'll insert my picture in this way with this little Insert Image button. I'll grab the same image. And if I find this little drop down next to crop, I can find the ability to mask my image into a different shape. So I could have my image appear as a circle, or I could have my image appear in a starburst, and I can edit that image as still just like normal. So let's say that I want this image to be in a cloud shape. So I chose my cloud shape, and I'm going to hit Save and Close, and now my image is entered in my document in that way. If I need to edit it, I can click on it. I can adjust the size by dragging from the resizing handles in the corner. Or if I need to go back into that drawing mode, I could hit edit and then choose a different shape if I needed to. Maybe I wanted it to be in just a circle or a triangle instead. Hit save and close. And my image is back in my document. So it's just another fun way to insert images inside of your Google Docs. All right, the very last tip I'm going to show you is Google Docs Optical Character Recognition, or OCR feature that's built right into the program. First, I'm going to find a PDF, and I have here one for my computer class syllabus. And it's a PDF, which means it's not editable. So if I noticed a typing mistake, or I got this from somebody, found it on the internet, and I need to make some edits, I can open it in using Google Docs and be able to make changes to it. So I'm going to right-click. I'm going to choose Open With in Google Docs, and it's going to take just a moment to process and convert that document. And when it opens, it's gotten rid of most of the formatting. But what you'll notice what I'm left with is a copy of all of the words and all of the text that was a part of that document. And I can go back and make changes, go back and add the formatting to it. And then resave it as a PDF if I need to. This will also work with a photograph. How cool is that? Thanks for watching. Hi everyone, thanks again for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more educational technology videos. Leave a comment or question in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Lastly, make sure to check out some of my other videos that may be beneficial, or find me in my social media to keep the conversation going. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.